Hey everyone, it's Amy, and you guys, I have a really cool video for you today. We are talking all things fasteners from our friends at VIGRUE. They sent me some really cool stuff and we're gonna unbox it and talk all about it here in a second. But I just wanna tell you guys that VIGRUE is an amazing company that have been making all kinds of fasteners for 30 years. Over 30 years, you guys. They are the best in the business. When you think about fasteners, and that's like a screw, screws, nuts, bolts, nails, anything like that, they're who you need to think of. They have been doing this, like I said, for a really long time, and they started with the simple mission just to make screwing things together easier. And they've really done that. They've perfected their craft, and they are now selling on Amazon. So that's why we're checking them out. Let's go unbox some of the goodies that they sent. We will talk about those. I'm going to show you guys maybe ideas for how you can use them, and then meet me back here. Okay, you guys, so let's start off with this first set of screws from VIGRUE. This is a 305 piece set. These are alloy steel button head screws. They also come with nuts and washers. This is alloy steel grade 12.9, and you can see that this has all of the different pieces on it. You're going to have the 3/8 screw 20 pieces, 1/2 inch screw 20 pieces, 5/8 15 pieces, 3/4 inch 15 pieces, 1 inch 15 pieces, 1 1/4 10 pieces, 1 1/2 10 pieces, plus 100 piece nuts, 100 piece washers. This box is really secure. You can hear that, so you know that if you drop this or something, it's not going to go flying everywhere. It's really high quality. And so this is what it's going to look like when you get it. All of your screws and washers and nuts are all going to be in these little plastic bags, individually wrapped. Really safe. It's great packaging for your shipping, and this is going to be your guide, so you easily know where all of your stuff is. So you can see it matches up exactly right, so you know there's no question about what size you need, what size you are looking for. You can match it up and find it perfectly. They are also going to give you a couple of this little L screwdriver and this one, so you can fasten your screws, and a couple of these extra little plastic dividers, so that way you can organize your box however you need. So, okay, next, you guys, we have this. This is a 5-piece set to make a vent in cans. You're going to have the wire to thread through your screw, all of these little pieces, and this, and it all comes in your little pouch. So up next, we have this 250 piece carbon steel set. This is going to be a rivet nut kit. And as you can see on here, all of the stuff that we have. So again, check this out. These are just beautiful. Your divider pieces in here to make extra space in your box as needed. And you can tell on the map exactly what is in here. You have your 3/8 16 13 pieces, 1/4 20 40 pieces, number 10 24 16 pieces, number 6 32 60 pieces, number 8 32 60 pieces, 5 16 inches 18 17 pieces. Okay, so next we have this 490 piece set. 245 of the pieces are the actual SAE and metric grease fitting assortment. There are another 245 grease fitting caps that come with it. This is zinc plated steel. There are going to be 45 pieces of the plastic grease fitting caps and 200 pieces of rubber dust covers. Again, these boxes are super secure and are not going to be flimsy or fall apart. You can check out everything in here with the rubber caps as well, mixed in, and you're going to be able to see all of the different types of fittings and have them all in their exact place. This is the 90-degree quarter 28, 12 pieces, 90-degree 1/8, 27, 12 pieces, 90-degree M6-1, 12 pieces, 90-degree M10-1, 12 pieces, 45-degree quarter 28, 12 pieces, 45-degree 1/8, 27, 12 pieces, 45-degree M6-1, 12 pieces, 45-degree M10-1, 12 pieces. The straight quarter 28, 41 pieces, straight 1/8, 27, 36 pieces, straight M6-1, 36 pieces, straight M10-1, 36 pieces. All right, so one last kit, you guys. This is a 100-piece kit. It's 304 stainless steel, and this is a single ear hose clamps pinch clamp assortment kit with pincher. So in this kit, you are going to get all of this assortment of single ear hose clamps, and you're also going to get the ear clamp pincher. So again, you're gonna get a couple extra of these little plastic guys to organize your box. It's going to come with your high quality pincer. And then you're going to get all of these steel clamps in various sizes, and you will see that they correspond to where they are on here, so you know exactly what you're getting every time. You have the 15.3 to 18.5 millimeters, 10 pieces, 12.8 to 15.3 millimeters, 10 pieces, 10.3 to 12.8 millimeters, 10 pieces, 8.8 to 10.5 millimeters, 10 pieces, 7 to 8.7 millimeters, 10 pieces, 6 to 7 millimeters, 10 pieces. Down here, we have the 25 to 28.6 millimeters, 10 pieces. Then we have the 22.4 to 25.6 millimeters, 10 pieces. 20.3 to 23.5 millimeters, 10 pieces, and 17.8 to 21 millimeters, 10 pieces. So this is going to be any size that you need. And it also has the pincer in the kit for you. So I hope you guys are excited to get a little handy and maybe take on some of those projects around the house and let VIGRUE help you out with all of your fastener needs. You guys, I'm going to leave their link in the description below, all of those Amazon links, all of that good stuff. I encourage you guys to go shop. They have other products as well, and they are all just as high quality and affordable, which are the huge, huge things. Plus, not only are you going to get really high quality fasteners at a great price, you're also going to have amazing customer service. You guys, VIGRUE is absolutely amazing. They are so on it. Their customer service is best in the world, bar none. Plus, since they're selling on Amazon, you are going to get crazy fast delivery, all of that reliability that you know and love about Amazon. And you're going to get Amazon's A to Z guarantee. So you have even more reasons to buy and to check them out. Shop, load up your toolbox. You know that you're going to need these things over time. They've got great reviews, and I know you're going to be super happy with them. Again, link in the description below. Go check it out.